Peace and blessings, fam. Welcome back to my channel, West Coast Finest Hair and Dance. Are you struggling with alopecia, hair loss, and you're feeling self-conscious about your appearance? Well, just know, ladies, you are not alone. And in this video, we'll explore the emotional and the physical impact of alopecia, but most importantly, provide you with a few practical tips, advice, and solutions to help you cope with hair loss, just as this one. As you can see, my client does have some hair loss in the front around the edges, but you see that beautiful style that I achieved for her. No one will ever know that she had any hair loss, any hair thinning, or anything anywhere. But you can see this is her current hair situation. But again, ladies, no worries. I know whether you're looking for a natural remedy, medical treatment, or simply a supportive community, this video is for you. So take a deep breath and let's embark on this journey together to find confidence, self-acceptance, and a newfound appreciation for your unique beauty. As you can see here, my client does have some significant hair loss. She is sick and tired of wearing wigs, scarves, hats, and just hiding behind her appearance of hair loss. So she came in today for me to see if I can create this beautiful style for her. She had locks, and unfortunately, due to the alopecia of her medical condition, or the alopecia that she has is contributed to medical conditions, she wants to have locks again. And I assured her that she does not have to worry anymore because I am going to achieve that style for her. She says she has been to several different hairstylists who said that there's nothing that they can do to help her. The best they can do is suggest that she purchase another wig. But she came in here to me, and as you know, this is what I do. This is what I love to do, and that is caring for people, providing services for those with alopecia, hair loss, thin hair, short hair. It doesn't matter to me. I am going to make it happen. So yes, ladies, alopecia is more than just hair loss. It's a condition that affects millions of people worldwide, causing emotional distress and impacting self-esteem. For those experiencing it, the journey can be really, really tough. But understanding the condition and exploring available options can offer hope and support. And that's what I do, ladies. I offer hope and support for people. And not do I only just offer it as just a suggestion. I make it come to life. I prove what I say that I can do. In this video, I am going to do just that. I'm going to give my client just what she came in for, and that is a full head of locks. Yes, they are going to be faux locks. And as you can see here, I am giving her a healthy braid pattern so that I can create this style. Although she doesn't have hair in certain areas, it doesn't matter, ladies. I'm going to work it out for her. And as you know, alopecia is more than just dealing with alopecia. It's just not just about, the physical appearance. It's all about an emotional battle as well. Many people face anxiety, depression, and a significant blow to their confidence when they are dealing with alopecia. As you can see here with my client, I did just that. I created this braid pattern for her. I did 2 perimeter braids, and they're going in a circle around the front. And then in the middle, I just did the braids going back. This is a healthy braid pattern for the hair that she does have. And this is a style, this is a braid pattern that's going to be great for the style that she's going to be getting. As you know, I always moisturize my client's hair with our G&G hair growth butter and our G&G hair growth oil, which is packed with 100% all natural ingredients to do what? Promote hair growth. Yes, ladies. And here I am going to be using a Wig cap, actually it's like a crochet cap. It says wig cap, but a lot of wig caps don't have holes in it. And ladies, just make sure that whatever cap that you are using does have holes in it so that it can keep your hair able to ventilate and to be able to breathe. You definitely do not want to use a stocking cap, which will smother your hair and will not be able to give your hair room to breathe. And our scalp and hair needs to breathe in order to grow. So as you can see here, this cap is very big head friendly, meaning if you have a big head, this is perfect. It's nice and comfortable. It's soft. It is durable as well as being soft. And these are the caps that I really love using with my clients who have hair loss, thin hair, short hair. I also have another anti-slip cap that I sometimes use that is extremely and perfect for those who have hair loss, especially in the front and around their edges. You can tap the link in the description below. That will take you to my website so that you can get your order in for any of these caps. I have this very durable but soft wig cap, as well as my anti-slip cap and some crochet caps. So again, hair loss is due sometimes to alopecia, and it can disrupt your daily life in some ways people might not expect. Simple tasks like styling your hair or going out in public can become daunting. It can be really frustrating and shameful for some people. The condition can also affect personal relationships and professional life, leading to feelings of isolation. Understanding the empathy are crucial in helping those cope. Sometimes because of hair loss, people turn down events, parties, gatherings, even family gatherings, because the self-confidence of just going out with hair loss can be very devastating. As you can see here, these are the dreadlocks. These are the faux locks that I'm going to be providing for my client today. I love working with these faux locks. These dreadlocks are absolutely so easy to install and work with. I mean, this style is already coming out so beautiful, so pretty. My client is going to be so impressed. Again, remember she had went to several different hairstylists who said there was nothing that they can do for her. And she came here and I gave her hope. And not only am I giving her hope, I am bringing this style to life for her. She will not have to worry about anyone knowing that she has any hair loss. She can attend any social event that she would like. She can go out in public and feel confident. Her self-esteem is going to be lifted, all those things. And that's what I love doing. That's what warms my heart. That's what makes what I do so rewarding. There are several types of alopecia, including alopecia areata, alopecia totalis, and alopecia universalis, each with different characteristics and impacts. Treatment options vary, ranging from medication and cortisone aids, cortisone shots, to more advanced therapies. Lifestyle changes such as dietary adjustments and stress management can also play a role in managing your symptoms. So there are different things that you can do yourself to try to reverse your alopecia. I do have some clients who the doctor has told that their hair will never grow back. And with our G&G hair growth butter and our hair growth oil, and also with our hair growth products, we also send 5 extra tips for our customers to do while they're using their hair growth butter to help their hair journey speed up the process. And I am telling you, ladies, I have very good results. I have many comments on how much the hair growth butter and the hair growth oil is working for them, the tips that I provide with each order, how those are working for them. And I have done some videos, and I'm going to continue to upload more videos on hair growth progress with some of our clients and our customers. So please watch those videos and stay tuned for many, many more. Coping strategies are essential for those dealing with alopecia. Support groups, counseling, and connecting with others who understand the condition can provide comfort and practical advice. Some people find, gratitude, and they find grounding in creative outlets or mindfulness practices, which can help manage stress and provide well-being, because dealing with alopecia can be very stressful. Dealing with hair loss can be very stressful in itself and in its totality. Some people who have had long, thick hair all their lives now suffer from alopecia. And what? Look at this finished style. Look at these crochet faux locks. Oh my gosh, look how full it is. My client is loving this. It looks absolutely natural. No one will ever know that she does have any hair loss. It is full. The top of her head is just completely covered. The back is covered. Look at the complete difference. So ladies, please support my channel. Give me a thumbs up. Tap that bell so that you can see all the new videos that I upload, because yes, I upload new videos every single week. Stay safe, stay blessed. West Coast Finest, Hair and Dance.